Okay. Today class, what we are going to discuss is how to run our script from anywhere in our system. This is Red Hat machine. I will see. Yesterday we have suppose in Red Hat also, if we give echo $0, you will be able to know what is the default shell. A default shell is bash is available here. And then if you want to see all the shells, what is the file name you need to give? Is the file name you need to give? Is asking the root password. /etc command not found, it is saying. Once again, you should do cat.
I think it's a cat.
Yes. Yeah, we got all the files. Okay, we clear the screen. Write and run the script. Currently, we have seen that how to run our script from anywhere anywhere in our system. I'll just create a directory to store all the scripts. Okay, I'll just create a scripts directory. Okay, I will go to scripts directory. Okay, now I'm inside scripts. For any command or script, by default, shell will check location specified by path variable. If we add our location to path variable, then we can run our script from anywhere in our system. We can do this in two ways. Okay, did you understand what I said? Like once we,
Sir. Yeah, sir. Understood. Okay.
I mean, like we'll be running the command or script from the location, right? By default, the shell will check for the path variable. There are two ways where we can define the path variable in two locations. The shell will default, it is going to check that location. Then if we specify the path in that location, then we can run our script from anywhere. There are two ways how we can do that. First one is session level. Second one is setting path permanently at the user level. Okay. First, we'll see how to set the path at the session level. If you want to get the path, there is a command echo, and then if you give dollar path in capital letters, then just click enter. This is the path. Okay. Now you want to set the path. If you want to set the path, what is the command? Export. Before that, I just want to know pwd. Okay, present working directory is, this is the present working directory. Export path equal to dollar path colon and then the present working directory. What is the present working directory? /home /my name /scripts. Okay, and then just click enter. Okay, now if you run echo this path, now you will be able to see the path whatever I have set. See, you are able to see the path I have set right now. This is the path I have set right now. And now we can run our script from anywhere. We are not required to provide either absolute path or relative path. Okay, what I will do is I will come out of this one. I'll clear the screen and then I will create a nano something date.sh. I'm going to create a file. Here I'm going to give bin bash, click enter, echo current system time is colon come down and date. Okay, like this. I'm going to save this file. 1 second. Okay, I have saved this one. Let me zoom in again. Okay, now I have saved it. If you want to run that, there is no need to mention. Just we can give date.sh and then click enter. What it is saying? The command not found we are getting. We need to restart the terminal. Okay, what I will do is I will open a new terminal here. 1 second. Okay, I have opened a new terminal again. Let me see this one. Let me zoom in this one as well. Now if I run date.sh, clear the screen, ls-ltr, date.sh is found, bash date.sh. Yeah, we need to give bash there. We are able to run it from, see, I have created this file. Oh, instead of that one, I could have created in scripts. Okay, let me go to scripts then. Let me go to scripts. Okay, I'm inside script. Now what I will do, I will run bash date.sh. I will run. No such file, or I have restarted the terminal even after. Let me see here. Cd. What is that? Scripts. Let me go to the scripts and then bash date.sh. No such file or directory. Where we have created that one? We have created it in ls-ltr. We have created here, but even after setting the path, is the path is perfect or not? Let me check that one. Just give me 1 minute. Go path. Scripts. Path is perfect, but maybe I think we should be in that location. See, I have set the path here. You are able to see it, right? Slash home slash my name and then scripts. I have set the path. This path is only applicable for current session. Okay, even current session also we are not able to get it. We clear the screen. I think we should have created the files there itself. What I will do is I'll just quickly create a new file here. Nano date.sh dash current system and date is okay. So this is fine. Now let me run bash date.sh. This is working fine, but if I come out of this path and then if I try, it should work out. Maybe I think we should restart the terminal. Once we restart the terminal, then it is going to work out. Yeah, it is working. See, I'm not in that script path. Even though I'm not in the script path, when I run this file, I'm getting the output. Okay, these this setting the path only, this is applicable only for the current session. If you close this current session and open it again, we are not able to get the session. This is the at the session level. Second one is setting path permanently at the user level. In our user home directory, there is a file named with .bash rc. This file will be executed every time automatically whenever we open our terminal. If we define path variable in this file, then path value will become permanent and we are not required to set the path every time. Okay, do you know this file name? If you give ls-ltra, you will be able to see what I will say, cat dot bash rc fixie. This is the file I'm talking about. If we set the path variable here at the terminal starting, it is going to I mean to say, every time this file will be executed at the terminal starting. Okay, if you set the path variable in this .bash rc file, then once you are going to restart the terminal, the path, whatever the path we have set, it will be available every time. Okay, for that what I will do is nano dot bash rc. I will just give like this. This is the file I'm talking about. We can mention anywhere. I'm just mentioning here export. Just tell me the command what we have used previously. Export path equal to $path colon slash home slash my name okay. After that, scripts. Okay, and then save this file. Even you can create aliases as well. Okay, and then save this file. I have opened it now. Okay, now if you see, again we need to restart the terminal. If you restart the terminal, then the path I mean like whatever we have set the path, then we can run it from anywhere. Even if I close this, let me open a new terminal. Then let us see this one. Okay, now I have set the path here. Now what I will do is echo dollar path. I will say, zoom in this one. See, the path is available here as well. This is what I'm talking about. Okay, and then if you want to know whether the path is set in the .bash rc file, we can check it. Nano dot bash rc file. Just click enter. See, we have this path is available here. And now this thing is available for, I mean the previous one is available only for the usage session. If I close the terminal, it is going to be gone. Now this is, we have set the path permanently. Even if you close the terminal, say it like 2 days, 3 days, 100 days, any days, the path will be set permanently. So you can run the script from anywhere. Okay, what is what is the meaning of startup file? Startup file is nothing but the .bash rc file. .bash rc file is the startup file and we will be executed automatically at the time of terminal starting. Hence, if you want to perform any activity while starting the terminal, we have to define that activity in this file. Creating aliases, updating path variables, etc. we can define in this .bash rc file. This is an important interview question where I mean like the people are going to ask what is the meaning of startup file. Suppose if I want to get the path variables or else define certain aliases at the terminal start time, where I can define that values, they are going to ask in multiple files. Dot bash rc file. Okay, what is what is meant by logout file. Okay, there is another file. The file name is nano. I'll just tell that file name dot bash underscore logout file. Okay, this is called logout file. Okay, what is the importance of this file is, and this file will be executed automatically at the terminal exit. Okay, see here, this is the file I was talking about. If you want to perform any activity at the terminal exit, then that activity you can define it here. Suppose, see, this is the file. I will give echo. What I will say, thanks for using the terminal. I will say like this. Have a great day. I will say like this, and then I will give like this, and then I will give sleep. I will give 3. Okay, I'm going to save this file. I have saved this file. Now what I will say, I will exit this file. No, it is not coming. Basically it should come. I mean, like, if you open the Azure terminal or a cloud terminal, it is going, once you log out, that time you will be able to see the message, thanks for using this terminal, have a great day, those things, whatever you want to mention at the terminal exit time. If you want to mention, you want to run anything, you can run it, you can mention those things in the dot bash logout file. Okay, these two are very important question. What is the importance of dot bash rc file? What is the importance of dot bash logout file? Okay, this is all about what is shell script, what is shebang, and the first script. Any questions you have in the topic 2? Else we'll move to the variable substitution.
Yes, sir. Actually, you run the command echo dollar path.
Yeah.
Uh, it's I did not get that. Path means it's a command or just
See,
we are.
this is a, see, as I told you earlier, there are two variables available. One is environment variables, another one is user defined variables. This is environment variable or predefined variable. This is already available. This is predefined variable. If you give dollar path, you are able to get all the paths mentioned here. See, slash home slash local bin, all the paths are variable. This is a predefined value. If you want to get the paths, all the paths, then we need to give dollar path. Yesterday we have given echo dollar. Again we have given what is the thing, echo dollar shell we have given, right? Like this shell. If I give shell, we are able to get the bin bash. What is this? This is a predefined variable, a predefined variable. If you want to get the available shell, these two are predefined variables. In the next class, I mean, like, just wait for a few minutes, you will understand what are the variables, how many types of variables are there, then your doubt will be clear.
Okay.
Any further questions you have?
If we want to run any new script in any location, we have to mention the path in that path dollar path. That,
That is what, there are two ways where you, how you can set up. If you want to set up the path at session level, you want to set up the path at session level, then you need to mention export path equal to and the path dollar path, and then mention the path. These will be available only at this session. Suppose if I close this terminal and if I open the new terminal, the path will be gone. If you want to set that path permanently, then where you want to go, you need to go to dot bash rc file.
yeah.
That is where you want to set, if you want to set the path permanently. Did you understand?
Yes.
Any further questions? Shall we, are we good to go with the next topic, variable shell variables?
Yes, sir. Sure.
The next one is shell variables. Here we have a little bit of theory part is available. I will just open the notepad and then I will explain you few things Then we'll move to the practical things. See, what is the meaning of variables? See, variables is nothing but placeholders to hold a value. Suppose when you are studying in your lower class or maybe fourth, fifth standards algebra, you have a equal to 10. What is a? A is an variable, or x equal to 10. X is an variable. Simply something like that. In mathematics, you have seen that. Okay. Variable is nothing but a placeholders to hold a value. Variables are key value pair. Key value pair is nothing but a equal to 10. Like this is the right. This is key. This is key. A is key. 10 is value. That is the meaning of key value pair. Key hyphen value pair. Pair. This is the meaning of key value pair. Is key is nothing but a. 10 is nothing but value. This is key value pair. Okay. Even if you go for YAML script, YAML script also the same thing. Key value pair will be available. Okay. In shell programming, there are no data types. Every value is treated as a text string type only. All variables are divided into two types. Okay, all variables are divided into two types. The first one is, as I told you earlier, environment variables. Environment variables. This is also known as predefined values. Predefined variables. Okay, not values, variables. Next one is, what is the next one? User defined values. User defined means whoever, suppose I am the user, I can define my own variables and then I can use it. That is the meaning of user defined variables. Predefined variables means already, I mean, like the values will be defined, we need to use those values. That's it. Environment variables, these are predefined values and mostly used internally by the system. Hence, these variables also known as system variables. Even this environment variables also known as system variables. System variable. Okay. Based on our requirement, we can use these variables in our scripts. We can get all environment variable information by using env command. How we can get the variables? Env command or else set command. Okay, by using these two commands, we can get all the environment variables. Let us check that one. Env. See, these are all the environment variables. Scroll up. If you scroll up, you will be able to see these are all the, your username will be there, all those things will be there. See, desktop, a present working directory, log name, history size, host name, session, SSH hyphen auth hyphen sock, everything will be present, shell session, all those things. These are the predefined value. Even if I want to, let me check with, let me clear the screen. Let me open the terminal again. That is how you can check the environment variables using env command. Now let me check with, you can see the terminal, right? With this zoom is, are you able to see the terminal with this zoom? Or do you want me to
Yes,
zoom in? Oh,
yes, sure.
if I use
It's okay, sir.
if I use the set command, even with the set command also, I'm able to see all these things only. See, same environment variables also I will be able to see here. Scroll up. Here there are so many things. Apart from environment variables, there is scripts available. All those things are available here. With the set command, you will be able to see. Why this is not coming up fast? See, bash aliases, bash, all these things. Okay. Let me amount of this terminal. That is how you can list all the environment variables. Now what we can do is how to change the prompt. Okay, internally we want to change the prompt. Suppose now I am a user of this is my username. You want to change from, you want to change this prompt, change prompt. How you can do is simple thing, just give ps1, okay, equal to, suppose I want to give Kiran, cap, small letters is fine, and then dollar. If I give dollar and then if I enter, see the prompt, the prompt has been changed. Now I am Kiran. You can change the prompt using this command. Okay. Let's see. Okay, this is how you can do that one. Let me open the terminal again. That is how you can change the terminal. If you want to log out, just you can give log out also, but I have given the exit one. Log out also will work out. Okay. How to change the prompt I have shown you. If you want to mention any name, you can mention any name as well. Okay. Demo script to use some environment variables. Now what I will be doing is I will go to this scripts file. First I will go to the scripts file and then we will write a script to use some environment variables. Okay, like username, I want to print all these things. Okay, what I will give, the script name I will give as nano env.sh. I will give the script name like this, and then I will mention bin bash. Come here. So what I will say, username colon dollar capital user. If you give, this is an environment variable. Okay, come here, echo. Next one is user directory colon. What is a environment variable is home. Okay. Then next one is echo default. What is the environment variable to check the default shell name?
Dollar shell.
Yeah, perfect. Dollar shell is the thing. And then come here. Next one is echo. I want to get the all path. How you can do that? Just path. Mention the path here. Colon. Just give path again. This one. This is how you can do it. Now just save this one and run that one as well. Dash env.sh. Enter. See, username is my name. It is coming. User home directory is this one. The default shell is this one. Path is this one. It is working fine. This is how you can use the environment variables. Okay, to get the values. Okay, this is all about the environment values. Next one is user defined variables. Okay. Based on
in this script, can we run the username with in the place of dollar host name also?
Yeah,
can
you
we,
can. Yes, you can use the host name also.
Yeah.
There is nothing. You can go to this env.sh and then, but you should know the what is that? What is the host name? You should know the what is that environment variable. Host, and then save this file. Run it again. See, host, that is not the correct name.
I think host name or something. Okay.
This is how you can use anything. You can use.
Okay.
See, Red Hat 9, you can get it like this. Okay, but you should know the environment variable to use. Okay. Next one is user defined value based on
run this. Just one thing, sir. Can we run the with the sh for file name.sh? Can we run the script with sh command?
Sh command in the sense you want to say
Bash nv.sh.
we cannot do it, right? Because we have used shebang as it is working.
Here we are using a Red Hat enterprise, Red Hat Linux, sir. That's why I'm asking, can we run this in the script sh?
Yeah, it is working fine. It is working fine.
Yeah.
You are able to see it, right? See, that is what, if you want to know all the shells available, you can see that, right? What is that? Cat. If you want to know how many shells are available, cat /etc
Sure.
/shells. If you give this one, you will be able to see all the shells here. See, this one is available here, right? That is why it is working.
Okay, sir. Okay.
If that shell is not available, then it is not going to work.
In the which shell we are actually we are running without sh. In the previous command we are running with command
Yeah, we are using bash by default. Even it is
bash
working with sh also.
bash command itself bash.
Bash. Even no, you
In
will
which
understand why we are giving bash.
can
Even without bash also, it is going to run. It is not working right now because we didn't set the path. 1 second. env.sh. Even if I run like this, also permission denied I'm getting. If I give the permission, it is going to run. But use like this bash env.sh.
in this command we are using in Ubuntu, sir.
Everywhere, Linux is same thing.
Bash command. Okay.
Bash is nothing but we are asking what bash is. Which one? Bash is a shell.
Okay.
We are asking shell to run this file. That's it.
Clear.
Bash is a shell, not a command. Shell, that is a shell. bash is a shell. Okay, that is a shell. Next one is user defined variables. Based on our programming requirement, we can use our own variables also. You understood that? Because I mean, like, suppose I want to create based upon my requirement, I want to define a variables, then those variables are called user defined variables. Suppose like I want to sorry, I want to create a variable like batsman equal to Virat. Okay, and then just click enter. Okay, now I want to get the batsman value. How you can do that? Echo
$batsman.
Yeah, instead of that, what I will do?
Dollar batsman.
Instead of that, let me do hello dollar. You can write anything if you want to, like, sorry, I gave batsman spelling mistake. Okay, and then I can mention you are king, okay, king, something like this, and then just enter. See, hello Virat, you are king. We are getting like this. You can use that. This is called predefined variables. Okay, rules. There are some rules to define this what is this user defined variables. It is recommended to use only uppercase letters. Okay, it is recommended to use only uppercase letters. If variable contains multiple words, then it is required to use underscore symbol. Suppose instead of giving space here, you can use underscore. If it contains multiple words, variable name should not start with a digit. Okay, it should not start with a digit. The variable name should not start with digit. Next one is variable name. Okay, that is fine. We should not use special characters. Okay, do you know the special characters? What are special characters?
hash is dollar
Yes,
some
those are the special characters.
okay.
Something like dollar, asterisk, hash, dollar, percentage. All these are special characters. These are all the four rules. Okay. It it is always recommended to use uppercase letters. If there are more than one or two words, then it is recommended to use underscore. The variable should not start with the digit. The variable should not contain special characters. These are the four rules. Okay, there is another way how we can define a read-only variable. What do you mean by read-only variable? Suppose if I define a read-only variable, nobody can change the value. How we can do that is simple thing. Just come here and then suppose if I give a equal to 100. Okay, just click enter. Now I will give read only capital A. Just click enter. Now now the value, if the variable is read only, then we cannot perform reassignment for that value. If you want to see the value, what is echo dollar a, you will get 100. Okay, if you try to change the value, you will not be change the value. You cannot change the value. Suppose now if I give a equal to 200 and then click enter, see, read only variable, you cannot change the value. Suppose like I will give b equal to 900 and I will click enter. I will try to get the value of b echo dollar b. Okay, now value of b is 900. B equal to, now I will say 800 and click enter. Now again I will try to get the b value. Now b value is, we are able to change the b value, but we are not able to change the a value since it is a read only variable. Okay,
Okay.
next there are variable scopes are available. We'll discuss these things tomorrow class. Variable scopes, there are three scopes: session scope, user scope, system scope. We'll discuss these things tomorrow. Any questions you have in yesterday's
Sir,
class and
just
today's?
one, sir, just one a small doubt, sir. Here we are giving a variable a equal to 10, but it's not a command or anything, but
We are
storing a equal to 10. Then we are calling a dollar capital A, then it will display the value 10. How if you are control D, exit the terminal, then we run the same command, it will store like that way only.
that values will not be stored. See,
Okay, sir. Okay.
I will just open another terminal. That is what variable scopes are. Variable scopes are there. You will understand. See, I have defined those values earlier, right? I have opened the new terminal here. One second. Zoom on this one. Now I have defined a value, right? Echo dollar a. If I give, you will not get the value. But if I go here and then if I search echo dollar a, one second, echo dollar a, you are getting 100 here. You are not getting the value here. This is only for the current session. That is what variable
Yes,
scope.
yes,
There are
thank you.
session. These are called session scope. There are three ways. One is session scope. This is session scope. User scope is also available. I mean, like for I can declare a variables for this user. Even if this user comes and log into, if you open new terminal, this will be available only for this user. And then system scope. Suppose this user is using this terminal. Suppose you are also a user. You are also a user, and if that variables need to be applicable for that user also, then we need to define it with the system scope. There are three ways we can do it. One is session scope, user scope, system scope. We'll discuss those things tomorrow.
Yes.
Any questions you have? Any further questions?
No, sir. My side, I don't have.
Okay, if you don't have any questions, we'll close the class again. This class will be uploaded to the same YouTube channel playlist. You can see the recording there as well.
Hello, sir.
This video will be recorded to the link whatever I have given you yesterday, right? I have shared you the link, right? SOE. I'll just show that link.
హలో సార్.
Hello.
సార్ యాక్చువల్ క్లాస్ గురించి కాదు డౌట్. సార్ అజూర్ అడ్మిన్ ఎప్పుడు స్టార్ట్ చేస్తారు సార్?
అజూర్ అడ్మిన్ బ్యాచ్ ఆల్రెడీ రన్ అవుతుంది.
ఓకే, అంటే నెక్స్ట్ మంత్ ఏమన్నా ప్లాన్ లో ఉన్నారు?
ఈ బ్యాచ్ అయిపోతేనే స్టార్ట్ చేస్తాను. నువ్వు కావాలంటే ఈ బ్యాచ్ లోకి జాయిన్ కావచ్చు. మేబీ 10 క్లాసెస్ అయిపోయాయి.
ఓకే,
ఒక్క నిమిషం, నేను రికార్డింగ్ స్టార్ట్ చేస్తాను. ఇది యూట్యూబ్ లో అప్లోడ్ చేస్తాను.